Did you know that Americans are now spending more money on sports betting than on the stock market? Since the Supreme Court overturned the federal ban in 2018, sports betting has exploded, with states quickly legalizing it in person and online. Researchers found that in the 2 to 3 years that followed the legalization of sports betting in a state, net investments dropped 14%. What this essentially means is that after sports betting was legalized in a state, people in that state invested less. Now, with sports betting taking off, there's a real question about what this shift means for young investors and their future wealth. Instead of making extremely risky plays on short-term bets, let's talk about ways to invest that have stood the test of time, starting with ETFs. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, offer a simple way to get in on the stock market without picking individual stocks. Take SPY, for example, which mirrors the performance of the S&P 500. It's one of the oldest and most trusted ETFs, and investing in it means you're betting on the success of 500 of America's top companies. The S&P 500 provides an annual return rate of 10.26% dating back to the 1950s, meaning if you put $100 in the S&P 500 way back in 1957, it would be worth over $83,000 today. Another popular option is QQQ, which tracks the NASDAQ 100. The NASDAQ is a more tech-driven index that focuses on growth-oriented companies, and it holds giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Google. While it can be more volatile than the S&P 500, it's seen explosive growth over the years, making it a great option for investors who want exposure to big tech with just one buy. And here's why these investments can make a big difference. Unlike betting, where the odds are basically always against you, these ETFs put the odds in your favor by diversifying across dozens or even hundreds of companies. Instead of betting it all on one game or one outcome, you're spreading your investment across the market, which means you get the upside of multiple sectors without the high risk of losing it all. My name's Elias Spotsford, and I started this channel to help teach people about investing and different methods to do it. If you're ready to start making smarter financial moves, don't forget to like and subscribe to Invest Smart for more tips on building long-term wealth.